as always, thanks for tuning in. So in this video, we're going to install Pixelcade for Batocera. So what you need to do is on your Mac or PC, go to a command prompt, and you're going to basically secure shell in. So you're going to put the command ssh root at batocera.local. Now, if your network supports multicast DNS, this will work. The password is Linux, all lowercase. If your network does not support multicast DNS, in other words, if that doesn't resolve, then instead you would just SSH into the IP address of your device and you'd have to get your IP address. So once you're in, go ahead and go to pixelcade.org from a web browser. Go to download and then hit Batocera. And then we want this command right here. So we're just simply going to copy and paste. Back to our command prompt, simply paste it in. And that basically will run the installer. This installer will take about 5 to 10 minutes depending on the speed of your device and your network. So just let it run. It's going to do a number of things. It's going to first install a Java runtime engine. Then it's going to download the Pixelcade software itself. Then it's going to do a bunch of different configurations. The script is all automated, so you don't need to do anything. Basically, let it run, and then at the end, we'll do a reboot. All right, so at this point, you should be seeing a logo marquee on your Pixelcade called 1941. So if that's displaying, just hit yes, and then we can go ahead and do a reboot. Hit yes. All right, so now we're rebooting, and you can see Pixelcade here is at the top. While it's rebooting, Pixelcade is just going to loop through this normal kind of set of animated marquees. And then as soon as Batocera loads, Batocera is going to take over control of Pixelcade. So you'll see that here in 1 second. And there it goes. Now we've got the Batocera logo. And you can see as I scroll through the consoles, Pixelcade is updating dynamically. So let's go to favorites. And a couple cool features I want to show you. One is high scores, which is pretty cool. So if the game has a high score, it's going to first show the logo like this. And then it's going to scroll the high score. And this is configurable. Right now, the default configuration is to show 3 high scores, but you can go into the scripts and tweak that and show only 1 high score. You can show 10 high scores, totally up to you. So let's go ahead and get out of that. And then as you can see here, as you scroll through the games, Pixelcade is also dynamic. Some of these marquees are animated, like this one. There is an optional art pack for Pixelcade LED, which has more animated marquees. And let's pick a game that doesn't have a high score, just to show you what that looks like. So if there's no high score, it'll just look like this. Now playing, name the title, and then it's going to land on the marquee. And I just wanted to show you that the console games also have artwork as well. What's Atari 2600? Here's NES. That is Batocera for Pixelcade. As always, thanks for tuning in.